Thanks for tuning in. Today I want to show you a 100% totally free tool for creating animated characters. All right, head over to Google and type in Adobe YouTube Free Animation. Click on the link that says Make Animations for YouTube for Free. That should take you to Adobe Express, Free YouTube Animations. Click on the blue button to get started. And this is where the magic happens. Pick your character. Select a background or you can upload an image. And then select the video output size you need. Now you can either record your dialogue or upload an audio file. And that's it. Once you've done that, you'll have an animated video just like this one. All right, that's all for today. Hit the like button if you liked the video, and for more how-to videos like this one, subscribe to my channel. Thanks, guys!